We have studied different types of the prepositions. Now I want to explain here some important preposition between, among, among us, beside and besides. At first, between. It means relation to things or persons. We use this preposition in this sense. For example, divide the mangoes between Ram and Shyam, or the relation between India and Pakistan is not good in these days. Here, in this sentence, two persons, first Ram and Shyam, and second, here the country India and Pakistan. Next, preposition among. We use these prepositions for more than two things or persons. For example, distribute the invitation cards among 20 men. Here 20 men, more than two persons. So we use this type of the sentence among. Amongst. It does not indicate number, but it is used before the vowel words. For example, divide the chocolates amongst us. Here, in this sentence, number is not appear, but us. You hear the vowel words. We have selected the preposition, so this is the suitable preposition amongst here. Next, beside. It means side of. We use this preposition in this sense. For example, Ram is standing beside his mother. Now, besides. It means extra. We use this preposition in this sense. It means beside and besides. Both prepositions are used on the basis of meaning, suitable meaning. This preposition is also used this type of the sentence. For example, Ram knows English besides Hindi. This is also important verb. Die is such verb where we use different types of prepositions. For example, he died of cancer. He died from accident. He died for the nation. He died through neglect. He died in battle. He died by violence. So we should here remember some words where you used with the preposition, but this is the verb die is also important. Now first try to understand what are the important. He died of cancer. If the verb slips here died and sentence indicates the disease, cancer, typhoid, TB, so here of preposition is most important. It is suitable for the sentence. He died of cancer. Second, he died from accident. It does not indicate the disease. Third, he died for the nation. If a person dies for nation, here we don't use of and from. Here the for is the most important to fill in the blanks. He died through neglect. He died in battle. But the sentence indicate about the battle, then we use with the died in battle. He died by violence. When a person died with violence, then use by. He died by violence. So we should remember this type of the important words. What are the uses from the died and which are the important or suitable preposition. You should remember this type of the sentence. Okay, I make clear to you or not? Perhaps you will understand the preposition in quite clear manner.